Hello everyone, welcome back to BG Tech channel. On this channel we teach different tutorials on how to make money online, introduce useful tools for working boys, share crypto, update flashing method and much more. Kindly join my Telegram and WhatsApp channel for more updates. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be among the first to receive updates whenever I upload a new video. With that being said, let's move on to today's video. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you can flash TRC20 USDT TRC20 on Tron network. Stand. This is the video you guys have been waiting for. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you'll be needing a USDT and TRS stand. So this is a real USDT. This is not fake. This is it. So to generate multiple and used for flashing, this is the process you need to do. It's very simple. You can follow the process on your iPhone also. So I'll be doing the video on iPhone also. If you follow this method and it didn't work, so I'm dropping the iPhone method, but it's very easy to do if you follow this process also. Start. So now after you deposit like $2 of USDT in your wallet, start. So what you will do now, you go to these three dots at the top corner, you go to the manage crypto, you click on this plus sign at the top corner of your right. So after you click on the top corner, you change it to Tron stand. So this place now we are going for TRC20. So after you have select TRC20, you just off your data. Make sure you do that, off your data or any Wi-Fi connection you connected to, because we'll be configuring some trick here. So let's off it. So I'll be offing my data instant. So I'll off it. I will scroll down, then I'll paste the real contract address of this crypto, the real wallet contract address of it. So after you do that, they will tell you to put name. The name is you write theta stand, follow this process. Then the symbol, you write USDT, symbol is USDT. So but the last part I won't be revealing it in this video, so if you need the full tutorial of it, stand, just DM me. So once you click on it, stand, you will now change you click on you on your data back or your Wi-Fi connection, you run it back. Then after you run it, you click on import. So you can see now this thing have been deducted. You can see you have received like 2.5 USDT of USDT TRC20. You will see, I'll go to my dashboard and show you guys. So let me just go back. You can see I'm now having 2.5 because my amount in my balance is 2.5 USDT. So this is how you can generate multiple TRC20 for on your wallet. So if you enjoyed the video so far, and if you want to send out, maybe you want to send out to your client, it's very easy. So you want to send out, you'll be needing TRC, because the TRC is for gas fee you grab. So I'll be doing that also in my next video. But if you love this video so far, kindly like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you join my WhatsApp and Telegram channel also. See you next in my next video. Bye.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.